All right, men, listen up and lock in, because today we're going beast mode with the top 10 best Kegel exercises for men to help you last longer in the bedroom, build endurance, boost confidence, and feel like a king where it counts most. No fluff, no gimmicks, just pure results. These exercises target your pelvic floor muscles, especially the pubococcygeus, PC muscles, the hidden powerhouse that controls your climax, bladder and stamina like a muscle boss. Let's dive in. Number 1, the basic Kegel hold. Start by finding your pelvic floor muscle, the same one you use to stop urination midstream. Once you've got it, tighten it for 5 seconds, then release for 5 seconds. Do this 10 times, 3 times a day. Build that mind-muscle connection. Number 2, the elevator technique. Imagine your pelvic muscle is an elevator rising up 5 floors. Contract it slightly like you're going to the first floor, hold, then pull a little more for the second floor, and so on until the 5th. Then reverse back down. This increases control and builds endurance layer by layer. Number 3, quick pulses. Tighten and release your pelvic floor muscle rapidly, like a machine gun. Do this for 30 seconds straight. Rest, then go again, 3 sets. This explosive movement builds firing control, helping you hold off and stay in the game when tension peaks. Number 4, the towel lift. Yes, this one's intense. Place a small towel over your erect penis and try to lift it using just your pelvic muscles. This strengthens the entire network of sexual performance muscles. Start with light towels, work up to heavier ones over time. Number 5, the bridge Kegel combo. Lie on your back, knees bent, feet flat. Lift your hips into a bridge. Squeeze your glutes and your pelvic floor simultaneously at the top. Hold for 5 seconds, then lower. Do 3 sets of 12. You're training both glutes and PC muscles for core sexual stamina. Number 6, standing Kegels. Do your regular Kegel holds, but do them while standing tall. This makes the exercise more functional, like training for the real action. Tighten, hold, release. Up to 15 reps, 3 times daily. Feel the burn. Number 7, reverse Kegels. This is crucial. Instead of squeezing, practice pushing out the pelvic floor gently, like you're trying to pee harder. This builds flexibility and helps with relaxation during climax, giving you more time before the big moment. Alternate reverse and regular Kegels to balance strength and control. Number 8, Kegel marches. Lie down or sit up straight, and do a slow march with your legs while keeping your pelvic floor contracted. This teaches your body to maintain tension while moving, essential during action in the bedroom. 3 sets of 30-second marches. Number 9, the full body core Kegel. Do a plank and activate your pelvic floor during the hold. Stack this with deep breathing. This turns your entire core into a stamina machine. Aim for 3 planks of 30-60 seconds with full Kegel activation. Number 10, hold and edge. During solo practice, perform a Kegel when you're close to climax. This teaches you to edge and control your orgasm. Combine this with breathing and you'll train your body to stop and recover fast. Do this responsibly. Build control, not tension. Now, here's your plan. Start with 3 rounds of basic holds, pulses, and reverse Kegels daily. Mix in bridges and standing work. 2 weeks in, level up to elevator, towel lifts, and planks. Track your progress like a beast. You're not just doing Kegels, you're sculpting the foundation of male stamina, confidence, and power. Within 30 days, you'll feel stronger, last longer, and dominate like never before.